Ready to cut your health insurance payment in half while still being really well protected? My name is Zac Masters. I'm a licensed agent, broker in 28 states. And right now, in this uncertain economy, everybody is trying to hold on to every dollar they can. So today, my goal is just to bring some hope and educate you about the number one thing that you can do to take back a big chunk of your hard-earned money and still be well protected. At the end, if you're interested in more information, I'll leave a way for you to get some quotes. Here's the problem. Every year, your health insurance is costing more and more and giving you less benefits. This trend has been continuing to get worse with no end in sight unless you do something to get yourself out of that system. It's a broken system because there are two major design flaws in these plans that cost you a lot of money. Today, I'm going to show you how to recognize and avoid paying for these design flaws ever again. Major flaw number one. These plans under the Affordable Care Act are not allowed to discriminate between low-risk and high-risk people. This goes against every principle insurance is built on. So if you're perfectly healthy, you're still going to pay the same as a smoking alcoholic who has lung cancer. If you're paying the same as a high-risk person, you're paying for their mistakes or negligence. Normal insurance makes high-risk people pay more because they cost more. Major flaw number two, and this is the big one that will help you to understand what you can do to drop your monthly payment or by half or even better. Normal insurance is designed to protect you against major risks that could take you out financially. Homeowners insurance only pays if your house is flooded or burns down. Auto insurance pays if your car is stolen or in an accident. However, insurance was never designed to pay for routine maintenance costs. Can you imagine if your car insurance had to pay for your oil changes or your tires? What do you think that would do to your monthly payment? Today, health insurance has become a hybrid combination of actual insurance plus a prepaid healthcare plan. And this is a big problem because with a prepaid healthcare plan, you're now just trading dollar for dollar with the insurance companies for something that's actually cheaper for you to pay for yourself. Now listen closely. When you pay cash, you actually get a cash discount, many cases, that's cheaper than the inflated insurance cost. Ever priced it out? I had a client the other day pay $73 cash for a test that was going to cost about $600 with insurance. Now, because she hadn't met her deductible yet, she would have had to pay that $600. So which price would you rather pay, $73 cash price or $600 insurance price? Did you also know that even just adding doctor visits to your plan adds about $75 to $150 per person to your monthly payment, even if you don't use them? Now, remember, that's just for the actual visit. If the doctor does labs or x-rays or other tests, most of the time you're still going to pay for that out of pocket until you've met your deductible, which most people never meet. So please understand, I'm not saying in any way that you can't go to the doctor. I'm just saying that you should only pay for the doctor if you actually go to the doctor. That's the problem. Can you see the solution yet? If you're reasonably healthy, you probably don't go to the doctor that often, which means you've been throwing your money away on prepaid health care that you're not getting much benefit for. So you could likely save half or even more on your monthly payment just by ditching the prepaid part and only paying for the coverage that protects you for the big stuff. Then just pay for your own doctor visits if and when you need them. Also, remember that most plans these days come with free telemedicine or virtual doctors, so you're still going to have access to doctors in most cases. Paying only for what you need is the perfect solution that allows you to be well protected and pay as little as possible. I have lots of families doing this that easily save $3,000 to $6,000 a year. What could you do with $3,000 to $6,000 a year? So, who is this not for? Well, if you're currently managing major pre-existing conditions or require consistent expensive treatment, this may not be for you. But if your family doesn't use health coverage a lot, if you want to be able to go to any doctor, or if you just simply want to save money on one of your biggest monthly expenses, this is perfect for you. If this works for you, I'm so confident we can get you the best coverage for the price that you're spending. I'll make sure that your money is refunded immediately if you find something better within 30 days. So all the risk is gone. Now is the time to break free. If you'd like more information, click below, provide some basic info so we can get you some free quotes, or just give us a call. Should take 20 minutes depending on how many questions you have, just to see what would work best for your exact needs. If you're on the fence and not sure if this would work for you, just call and we can figure it out together. If you're spending over $800 a month on healthcare, I guarantee this will be worth your time. Even if we don't do business together, you'll get some great advice because this isn't for everyone. And if that's the case with you, that's okay. I'll be 100% upfront and suggest the best route to take. If you delay, you may never see this video again and you'll have thrown away your chance to cut your payment in half and lower your financial stress for good. I know your time is valuable. So in order to get the best out of this, click below, fill out some basic info so we can get you some proper quotes. I look forward to speaking with you soon. Thanks again for your time.